Welcome back. New at 5:30. In the last 5 days, we've learned the county has been ordered to pay out nearly $4.5 million to settle just 2 cases.
So, as news of the second and much larger settlement broke, we requested information from both Kern County and the city of Bakersfield to compare the pattern of payouts. 17's Kristen Price is in our newsroom tonight with what she found. Kristen.
Jim, in the last week, Kern County paid 3 times as much money in law enforcement-related cases than the city of Bakersfield paid in the last 6 years. The county is obviously much larger than the city, but the information gives some insight into how these cases are handled.
Deputy Lopez says to our client, "Now I want you to bend over the bed."
The county has to pay $4.4 million in 2 recent lawsuits against the Kern County Sheriff's Department. One of them for the in-custody death of David Silva back in 2013. The other for a deputy in Tehachapi convicted of sexually assaulting 2 women, with the county settling one of the women's cases. These cases are paid with taxpayer money that comes out of the county's general fund. We requested information from county council and the city attorney for the total number of settlements in the last 6 years. The county did not provide that information, but the city did. Between July 1st, 2009 and June 30th, 2015, 71 cases involving the Bakersfield Police Department were closed. 19 of those cases resulted in settlements totaling $1.5 million. The majority of the city's cases are handled by 2 private firms, Clifford & Brown and Martirosyan.
We'll handle the case regardless of the expense that's taken care of by the flat fee, so that the city of Bakersfield does not have to worry about the cost of defense and calculating what they should pay by way of a settlement.
Arnold Ancherdoki, an attorney at Clifford & Brown, says this method saves the city money and reduces the number of lawsuits. County counsel usually represents the county in civil lawsuits. While there are some differences in how the city and county handle these cases, there are also some similarities.
The lawyer can reach a tentative settlement, but until it is approved by the city council or the board of supervisors, you do not have a final settlement.
The county is self-insured up to $2.4 million, meaning if the county settles a major lawsuit, it only pays up to $2.4 million. The city is insured up to $1 million.
We don't see too many cases where that comes into play. Most of the stuff we handle, we negotiate something for something less than that.
According to the information we collected, the largest settlement involving BPD was $500,000 in 2012 to Victoria Youngblood after a police canine mauled her while searching their home for her son Aaron, who was wanted at the time. The Sheriff's Department settled with the families of Crystal Jolly and Daniel Heiler for $8.8 million. Jolly and Heiler were hit and killed by a sheriff's deputy in 2011. But because the county wouldn't release information, we're not certain that settlement is its largest. Ancherdoki says there is a lot that goes into determining how much should be paid.
Are the officers or the deputies, are they believable? You know, if they told story A, but it's simply not believable, as a lawyer, you take that in consideration. The jury's not going to believe them. There may be an aggravating factor. The jurors maybe get upset with them. So all those things take into consideration. Was the decedent, was he a nice guy?
We reached out to county council by phone and email. They did not say when they would provide the information we requested. Kristen Price, 17 News.